Hello and welcome. This is Ian, Handyman Plumber. So today I'm building a kitchen. What I'm including in this kitchen? I'm including one of these and, where is it? It's down here. And one of these. Now, I don't get paid to sponsor this water too. But it's really important that you do filter your water, especially because the water in the 1990s is very different from the water now. So now in the water we have microplastics, we also have PFAs, we have forever chemicals, and we also have bromine and other sort of like things like that that are not good for our kidneys, because our kidneys filter the water. So if you feel slow and lethargic, it could be years of drinking sort of water that's not so great for you. So these water filters are amazing. The company is run by Beargills, obviously ex-military, like myself. I'm ex-military. And today, as you can see in the background, I'm building a kitchen, which they've done some really nice little drawings. So this is a kitchen designed by Wix and obviously built by me. I built a lot of kitchens this year. I think this is my fourth kitchen. My third Wix kitchen. The other one was a Howdens. Oh, Howdens. They're a very good company too. Yeah, I generally build Wix or Howdens. I don't do a lot of B&Q builds. And I'm not here to like, you can do your own research. You should do your own research. But ultimately, you should definitely filter your water because by filtering it, it's going to make you and your family healthier. The water is going to taste better. A lot of people are sort of like, wow, I never needed a water filter in the past. Yeah, it was different water back then. You didn't have microplastics. You didn't have all of that stuff. So up to you really. I know what I would do. Obviously fluoride is not good for you. A lot of research has said that it causes brain damage. And part of the brain that it damages is your pineal gland, the part of the brain that regulates your hormones. It regulates a lot of things. It also helps you sleep at night. So we live in a very hard water area in Swindon. So filtering your water is going to mean that your kettle is going to last longer. Your body is going to last longer. And when you're 50, like me, you won't look so bad either. No. I wonder. Got a little bit of grey going on though. Just a bit. But yes, so that's that. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think. What do you think? Do you think I'm wrong? I'd love to know. But yeah, have a beautiful day and I'll see you all soon. And if you can be anything, be kind.